Hello, how are you? Today's video I'm starting on a Tuesday because I filmed yesterday my makeup look, and I thought I would start my weekly update today because I'm assuming I'll upload this on Sunday. Usually, I don't know, like I haven't really planned anything, to be honest. The insomnia that I've been so lovingly accepting into my life. So many of you guys left me so many amazing suggestions and I'm so grateful for that. I'm going to be incorporating a bunch of them in this video, testing them out, seeing how they go. I'd like to prop you guys up on something, but let's try this. Excuse the mess in the background. What is new? I was every day, if not twice a day, having a double shot coffee. A lot of caffeine obviously isn't good for you. Sometimes I would, you know, feel like the afternoon pick me up and I would have an afternoon coffee, which obviously doesn't translate well when it's almost nighttime. So aside from that, the sugar addiction in my life is what I think is majorly causing my sleeping insomnia. It is making me wired. And obviously a cluttered space is a cluttered mind, so I'm going to show you guys my bedroom in a second and you're going to shit your pants. But because it's cluttered, my mind is cluttered. You need to change your sheets more often, so I've been changing at least my pillowcases, if not my sheets, my pillowcases. Drinking a lot more water, but instead of drinking it all day long and then even drinking it into like 8 p.m. at night and then peeing all night, I've been cutting my water at about 5:30 and then I'll just sip on tea for the rest of the night because that way I don't get up like 4 times a night to go to the bathroom. But this is going to be sort of a daily update to see if I do little things here and there, how they work, how they go. Like today I've already had 2 protein balls like packed with like 20 grams of sugar, so I'm not going to quit sugar. I'm definitely not going to quit sugar, hell no, but I'm going to try to decrease the amount of sugar that I'm eating. Yeah, let's see how I go. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. Yeah. Making piles. Yep. Stuff on the floor. Okay, majority is done. Everything's off the floor. Everything's away in the cupboard. Oh my god, already so much better. I just have Nick's stuff here that I don't know what he wants to do with it, and some gym gear that I've got to put away. I even changed my sheets, and don't worry, no, I do not sleep with the fluffies. They go well off the bed. But yeah, so a clean space. I'm gonna light some candles tonight. So next I'm gonna go online and have a look at all your suggestions and buy myself some of this what's called melatonin, and there's a few teas that you guys suggested. Okay, so I've showered for tonight and got myself fresh. I'm gonna make sure my hair dries before I go to sleep because that always keeps me awake. It's now 6:19. So I am going to switch on my night mode on my phone, which gives a yellow tinge because you don't want the blue lights keeping you up. So I'm going to be switching on my night mode.
And the best way to get attention and to especially get new.
Hello, good morning guys. Might just sit down and have a bit of a chat because I kind of completely forgot to talk to you last night. So I failed with the no dessert thing. I had this honeycomb chocolate thing. Sugar is going to be a little bit more of a difficult one for me, I think. I just cannot not eat sugar. Weirdly, I had a really strange sleep last night. I fell asleep, like not even kidding, at about 9 p.m. Like literally my lights were on. Like I was so tired that my lights were still on and I fell asleep. Then I woke up at around probably 1 to 2. I was dead awake for like a few hours and then I just kind of forced myself back to sleep after that. So the things that I did, I turned obviously my night mode on my phone. I dimmed all my lights. Tried to get off my technology about 20 minutes before I fell asleep. I had a tea. I had a sleep tea. So I'll show you guys that. I really want to try a few of your suggestions because I haven't bought them yet. I didn't have time to end up buying anything yesterday, like the melatonin or anything, but I'll hopefully do that today. I've got a really busy day today. I've got Georgie coming and then I've got an interview with the Daily Telegraph, but if I have time, I might go to the grocery store tonight and pick up a few of the things that you guys mentioned. Oh, that's the other thing. I didn't have a coffee yesterday. I did have a coffee today, however, which I'm kind of annoyed at myself, but I was just really tired and I had an event this morning because yesterday I didn't, and I slept so well, but yesterday I didn't, and I was not only just tired at night, I was tired all day, and I was just doing a big, as you guys saw, a bit of cleaning around my house. So maybe that was what made me tired, just like being around dust and just sort of organizing. Organizing makes me tired. Hello everybody. I am just eating a rice paper roll right now. I just finished off my day. I had a shoot. Georgie came over and did heaps of organising. My god, she's incredible. It's getting so clean in here. I did a big grocery shop. In my grocery shop, I bought a tea, which was not a brand that anyone suggested. I'm going to do boxing tonight because I always find that exercise really tires me out and helps me sleep. Although sometimes when I do exercise too late, it actually gets me a bit wired. I like to exercise in the morning usually, but I'm going to see what a night session will do. Okay, so I am going on to iHerb right now. Okay, and so a suggestion that I got from one of you is try Now Foods off iHerb, which is a natural melatonin. Now Foods. Okay, so this is what it comes up with. So I guess this is the melatonin. Hopefully this will arrive in time before I go to New York, because this will actually be very handy for the plane, I think. So another one of you suggested that I try Pukka Nighttime Tea or Nature's Own Sleep Advanced Tablets. Yay, they do. Amazing. So I'm going to add this one to my cart as well. Okay, so I've just ordered myself from iHerb some melatonin and some tea that you guys suggested. And because it says it's not going to arrive until possibly the 22nd of October, which is in like 5 days, it's not going to make this video. So I think I might do like an update video on how everything has gone, possibly in like a few weeks. But I've also ordered myself some lavender oil and some Nature's Own sleeping aid as well, so that will arrive tomorrow. Okay, makeup's off. I'm in my gym gear. I'm about to go do some boxing. It's a big class though, a busy class at 6:50, so I'm not going to bring you guys along. I look so white. It's 7:30, which is good. I had a little bit of a sleep. I woke up halfway through the night. I woke up halfway through the night and tried to find my phone to give you guys the time, but I couldn't find it. But at least I had a few hours sleep this morning, so I fell asleep again last night listening to meditation, which I'll show you guys. Then woke up and I fell asleep, and then I woke up again and then I fell asleep, and now I'm awake. Hello, my friend. Bambi. Hello. Hi, honey. Oh, are you gonna try? Oh, well, thought so. Good morning, Bam Bams. Hey, peeps. I just made myself some brekkie. Really can't get my face in there. I'm saying hello to my little baby in the morning. What are we gonna do today, honey? Got the gym in a second, and then we've got eyelash infills, then we've got to film a video. Sweet girl. I could just watch her all day. She's so cute and cuddly. Look at her squished there. Isn't that right? That ain't cute. But you're cute. Yeah. So I feel okay because I had a few hours sleep last night. It was a bit frustrating. It was so weird. I listened to this. Actually, I'll get the app up. I downloaded this app which is called Calm, and you basically can listen to like different stories. So for example, last night I listened to this.
Sleep story. We travel to the south of France. I'm Stephen Fry, and I'll be your guide as we meander lazily through the lavender fields and sleepy villages of Provence.
So
It's called
he had an extremely relaxing voice, and it put me to sleep straight away. But as soon as it stopped, I woke up like a lightning bolt and couldn't sleep, so that was frustrating. It was nice, so I'm gonna try that again tonight, just putting it on. I find that when I listen to meditation stuff, it doesn't work for me because I'm concentrating way too hard on what they're telling me to do. So they'll be like, take a deep breath in. Oh my god, baby, I've got so much fluff up my nose. She makes my eyes all puffy. You holding on to your mama's arms. I do love you. Yeah, but so I found I was just concentrating way too hard on what he was telling me to do as opposed to like actually just drifting off. So I eventually just kind of stopped trying to like concentrate on what he was saying and just let his voice like put me to sleep, and it definitely worked. And yeah, so I'll try that again tonight. And my lavender oil is coming tonight, so I'm going to try that on my foot. Light some candles. And yeah, let's see how that goes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Baby! Oh my god, she almost broke it. Rude. Rude. So I just went and got my lashes refilled. They weren't really that unfilled, but because I'm going to New York on Monday, I just wanted to get them touched up before I left. I feel like this whole video is going to be me sitting in my office, which is so boring for you guys. I mean, it is kind of like an information sort of vlog anyway. So I just wanted to give you one more tip with the apps. So I showed you the meditation app that I used last night, which actually really worked for me. The guy's voice was amazing. But there is another app which Georgie showed me, and it is Sleep Cycle, which is a really cool way to actually just track your sleep. So it is, Sleep Cycle analyzes your sleep and wakes you up in the lightest sleep phase, like when you want to be woken up in the morning with your alarm. But otherwise you can see here, it shows you your lightest sleep, your normal sleep, and then your deepest sleep, and it shows you when you're in between all of it and how much sort of like deep sleep you're actually getting and how much just sort of sleep you're getting, and sort of tracks everything. So I'm gonna try this tonight, see how I go and see like how it analyzes my sleep. I will say though, I am crashing right now. Okay, so no joke, as I'm just sitting here editing my video all about sleep, I get a package arriving at my door, and it is from Sephora, and they left me this letter which says, since we know you've had a little trouble sleeping, thought we would put together a series of stuff that will help aid in some sleep, some Zeds. So they've literally left all of this stuff for me. I cannot believe it. That is so sweet of them. So we've got a few foot masks, which is a lavender foot mask. Sounds amazing because apparently putting lavender on your feet really relaxes you. We've got this water sleeping mask, another face mask, which is a retinol peptides overnight mask. I might try this one, that sounds good. Oh gosh, calm and brighten, that sounds amazing. And then this one I'm so excited for. We've got a Rest Your Head Votary Pillow Spray, Lavender and Chamomile, which sounds literally just perfect. I can't believe I didn't even think of this. So I'm going to be spraying this on my pillow tonight and see how that goes. So thank you so much to Sephora for sending all of that to me. That is so kind. I feel like now that I've sort of compiled a whole bunch of stuff for tonight, it's going to be like the best sleep of my life. I'm worried I'm not even going to wake up in the morning. So I'm just in my little drawer here of goodies that is stuff that is going to be in giveaways and that I donate to charity. I'm just putting a little bunch together right now for my friend. So they're having a fundraiser for the drought for the farmers. I want to put a link down in my bio below for any of you guys to donate what you can. Anything would be amazing because our farmers are really struggling, so that would be amazing if any of you guys would even donate $1, like anything helps. So yes, thank you so much in advance, and yeah, you can check my bio. So this is my last and final check-in. It is Friday morning today, but I thought I would just update you guys on how I slept last night. I actually had a really great sleep. I woke up a few times, definitely, which is normal for me. Like, I had to pee. Expected for me. Like, that's not a bad thing. I slept really well otherwise. I feel like I had like really weird dreams. I thought I would show you guys my app though. How well I slept. Like, I'm shocked. So as you can see here, the ones at the top mean awake, the ones sort of in the middle are when I was just asleep, and the ones down the bottom was when I was in deep sleep. So you can see it goes very up and down, up and down, up and down. Like, I wake up, I'm in deep sleep, I wake up, I'm in deep sleep. God, it's all over the place, which I would like it to be a little bit more steady than that, but at least I know that I had quite a bit of deep sleep last night. So that's an awesome way to track. So yeah, I feel like a combination of all the lavender spray. Like, when I woke up in the middle of the night, I was like wide awake again, and I was like, well, what can I do to like get back to sleep, because this is really frustrating. So I took the spray again and I just sprayed it on my pillowcase, and sure enough, like, I fell back asleep. So it's definitely a very relaxing scent. But yeah, so that is the last and final update for this vlog. I will continue to update you guys on how my sleep is going if I incorporate any new tips when the other stuff arrives in the mail. Otherwise, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very shortly. Mwah.